excavator. Let's check out where the construction fleet is needed. Amusement park renovation. This amusement park has been abandoned for a long time. I want to renovate it. Wow! Here you come, construction fleet. I can count on you for amusement park renovation. No problem. You can count on us. I am the crane. Let's assemble the aquarium first. Let's secure the support first. The aquarium is completed. I am the crane. Let's install the new cabins for the Ferris wheel. Install the cabins on the Ferris wheel. The installation of Ferris wheel is completed. I am the crane, and I will also be in charge of repairing broken roller coaster. Let's assemble the tracks first. Of roller coaster tracks is completed. I am the bulldozer. Let me clean up the ground before inflating the castle. Spreader. I'm good at laying lawn. Next, let's inflate the castle. Swipe up to connect the pump with the castle. Tap the button to inflate the castle. The bouncy castle is ready. Yeah, the construction of the amusement park is completed. I am quite satisfied with the renovated amusement park. Here's a badge for you as a reward. Yahoo!